Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine. In this video I will show you how to solve some basic matrix problem by using fx-991 ES plus calculator. First of all, I will show you how to initiate the matrix mode in this calculator. First of all, you have to press the mode button, and then there is a matrix mode. For this we have to press number 6 and just erase it. And now you guys see there is a mat displayed on the top of the display. Now let's move on to type 1. We have the plus and minus method of the matrix. We have some basic question A and B, and we will show you how to find the multiplication and the minus of this matrix. And for this, first we have to set A and B matrix in this calculator. And for this, first of all, we have to press shift and then 4, and then we have to press 1 for the determination, and then for setting the matrix A we have to press 1. So this is 2 by 3 matrix, and for this, for initiate the 2 by 3 mode we have to press 4. Now let's input all these values one by one. First of all, we have 1 and press the equal, and then minus 2, then 2, 6, press equal, and then we have to simply erase it. The matrix A is saved. Now we have to save the B matrix. For this, again we have to press the shift and 4 and 1 for the determination, and for matrix B we have to press 2. So again this is 2 by 3 matrix, and for initiate the 2 by 3 matrix we have to press 4, put the value again, 3 0 2 minus 7 1, simply erase it. Okay, now we have to find the result of A plus B. For that, simply we have to press shift 4, and you guys can see that there is a mat A, which is our matrix A, and for initiate it we have to press 3, and there is a plus, then again shift 4, and there is a matrix B, and for initiate it we have to press 4. So here you guys in the screen you can see that there is a matrix A and matrix B, and simply by pressing the equal button we get the result, and the answer is similar: 4 minus 2 4 minus 3 6 14. So this is our result. And for getting the result of A minus B, again we have to press shift 4, then 3 for matrix A, then minus shift 4 and 4 for matrix B, then press equal, and then the result is the same: minus 2 0 11 4 minus 2. So in this way you can solve any multiplication and the minus form of the matrix. So let's move on in another example. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Now for solving the another matrix, we have to erase the previous memory in this calculator. For this we have to press shift 9 and 3 equal to reset all, and again we have to press the mode, then 6, then simply erase it. The matrix format is on, and let's just put the matrix A and matrix B in this calculator. For this, again we will do the same thing: shift 4 and the determination, and for the matrix A we have to press A, and you guys see that this is 3 by 3 matrix, and for initiate the 3 by 3 format we have to press 1. Now let's put the values of this in this calculator. It's 1 0 3 4 3 2 6 minus 5 and 4. Let's erase it. The matrix A is saved automatically. And for the matrix B, again we have to press shift 4, determination, matrix B for 2. This is 3 by 3 matrix, so we have to press 1. Let's put the value 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Now we have to find 6a plus 2b, and for this we have to press first 6 and then this is matrix A, so shift 4 this matrix A, so we have to press 3 and then there is plus 2b, plus 2 shift 4 this matrix B, so 4. So you guys can see that I inputted 6a plus 2b equal, so this is the result 8 0 18 24 20 12 36 minus 30 24. So this is our answer, and now let's find the 4a minus 3b. I will do the thing similarly again. 4a minus 3 4 4. So this is the answer. You guys can see 1 0 12 16 9 8 24 minus 20 and 13. Now let's move on to type 2, which is the multiplication of the matrix, and for this we have to erase the previous memory and again initiate the matrix format. Let's input A and B in this calculator. Since this is 2 by 3 matrix, so press 4. So let's input all these things 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's input matrix B. This is 3 by 2 format, so for getting the 3 by 2 format we have to press 2. Okay, 0 2 1 2 0 minus 1. Okay, now we will get what is the answer of AB and BA. For getting the AB, we have to get the matrix A into matrix B. So this is the answer. The answer is 2 3 5 12. You guys can get this. Okay, now let's find BA. 4 into matrix 3. You guys can see that this is the answer. Okay, let's move on the final part. So this is our final part, the inverse matrix. Now I will show you how to find the inverse matrix by this calculator. Now I erase the previous memory. Now let's input the A matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So I am putting the value 1 2 3 4 6 7 5 8 9. The matrix is saved. Now I will find the inverse matrix of A. For this we have to input the A matrix, press 3, and for getting the inverse, you guys can see that there is an inverse button here. Just simply press it. So that is matrix inverse 1. Press the equal button, then you will get the inverse answer. So this is our answer, minus 3 minus 1 3 minus 2 minus 0.5, this is half, minus 3 plus 2.5, that is 5 by 2, and 1 1 minus 1. So this is the answer. So guys, in this way you can easily solve these basic kinds of matrix problem by using in this calculator. Thank you very much for watching the video.